In this video, I'll give you a brief introduction to Procreate. Upon opening the Procreate application, the first thing you will see is the gallery. All of your future artwork will be stored here. You can open your artwork by tapping on its thumbnail. To begin a new piece of artwork, you can create a new blank canvas by using the plus button in the top right hand corner. Here, you can create a canvas of your desired size using this default list of presets. If your desired canvas size is not listed, you can create a new custom canvas preset using the custom canvas button. In this example, I've used an Instagram friendly canvas size of 4000 pixels by 4000 pixels with 300 dpi. So when you start, you're presented with this simple, elegant layout. On the top right are the three main tools: brushes, smudge, and the eraser. Pressing the brush tool opens the brush library, and all three main tools share the same brush library. On the left, we can see that the brush library is divided into groups. When you select a group, it will display its brushes. To the right of the eraser is the layer button. As you progress as a digital artist, you will use layers to isolate and optimize your workflow. You can add a new layer using the plus button. In the upper right hand corner is the currently selected color. You can replace this color by tapping on it and using one of the 5 color selection modes available. At this point, you're ready to paint. Using Procreate in combination with a pressure enabled stylus is an absolute delight. It's a good idea to start exploring your brushes by scribbling on the test page available when you click on the brush. Let's talk about the two sliders on the left of the canvas. The upper slider allows you to change the brush size, and the lower slider controls the opacity of the brush. Directly between these two sliders is the modify button. This can be used to activate gesture controls. I'll talk about this in a future video. At the bottom of the sliders are the undo and the redo buttons. Now on the top left side, reading inwards, we have the actions button. Looks like a spanner. Here we can do many useful things such as adding text, pictures, modify the canvas, export, and you can even modify your Procreate layout. Then we have the adjustments tab. Looks like a magic wand, which is appropriate. Here we can find color adjustments, filters, and effects, liquefy and clone. Next is the selection tool. Here you can isolate sections of the canvas. And lastly is the conversion tool, which helps you to scale, flip horizontally or vertically, or distort your layers. By clicking on the gallery, we can go right back to where we started, and you can now sit back and admire your work.